Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Woman's Fashion. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this leather video today, I will show you a gorgeous and designer leather handbags ideas. My dear friends, let's talk about trendy fashion, about leather handbags, real leather handbags, shiny and PVC style, and fancy leather handbags ideas. My dear friends, you will hand carry and shoulder carry leather handbags see on my channel. Leather handbags will change your personality, look gorgeous and great. If you love to follow trendy leather handbags, you will change your look with leather handbags, glittery chains with leather handbags, shiny leather handbags, and shoulder carry and hand carry leather handbags, and much more about office work and parties leather handbags ideas. My dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, make sure do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates on my channel. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social media's contact. And let me know in the comment section what kind of leather videos do you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching my leather videos from my channel. Once again, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. See you soon with a new collection, new ideas and new trendy fashion about leather handbags ideas. We will be right back with a new leather videos and new leather handbags ideas. Thank you once again. Keep supporting me. Till then, bye bye.